Okay, here we go. 5.9 lesson problem number 4. In 1895, a brick bridge was built on North Avenue in Baltimore, Maryland. The arch is modeled by the equation h equals 9 minus 1/50th x squared, where h is the height in yards from the center of the bridge to the ground. We're going to graph the equation and describe to the nearest yard where the bridge touches the ground. It's not completely clear, so what we're going to do is we're going to do a little interpretation here. We're going to say in reference to the center of the arch. Okay? So, you defined the vertex. Vertex is going to be pretty easy. X equals the opposite of b over 2a. You might notice there is no linear term here, so that means it's the opposite of 0 over 2 times negative 1/50th. That gets kind of hairy, the 2 times negative 1/50th, but it really doesn't make a difference because 0 divided by anything is 0. So that means I'm located right here at 0 for my x value. And my h value, well, 9 minus 1/50th times 0 squared. Again, the 1/50th would cause a problem for any number but 0, but since that's 0, 0 times 1/50th, that's 9. So, here's 12, 11, 10, 9. So that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9's right here. This is why we make. We do everything in pencil with the boo-boo. So, vertex is 9. So that means the height 9 yards off the ground, about 27 feet. And now we want to find out basically our x-intercepts. So that's where h is equal to 0. Okay, a couple different ways to do this. Probably the easiest is to subtract the 9 from both sides. So then you got negative 1/50th x squared equals 9. Since you have negatives on both sides, you can ignore those and make that positives. And now we need to get rid of that 1/50th. So we're going to multiply both sides by its reciprocal, which is 50. So I have 450 equals x squared. Well, at this point, we just take the square root, both sides, and bring my calculator in here. Turn it on, clear out whatever's there. Square root, 450, so about 21. So these are increments of 10, so here's 20, 21's about here. I don't see an arrow there, do you? No, not at all. So we're going to leave that up there. So arch is going to look something like this. And the key here is where it touches the ground. So the best way to answer this would be bridge touches the ground about, so x is approximately positive or negative 21. Okay, 21 feet from the center of the arch. Done.